All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and today we're going to do an unboxing. It's the 21st of December 2024, and I hope to goodness that the person that this is for, my wife, doesn't see this video. She doesn't watch my videos, which is great because I can post a video like this and I don't think she's going to see it. But anyways, this is a gift for my wife for Christmas. So let's jump into this one. I'm going to unbox it for you. A friend of mine who is owner at Milspec Group, he sent me some pictures on, this was Veterans Day weekend. I was camping. Let's set this aside here. I was camping locally where I like to go camping and whatnot, and he sent me a lot of pictures of Tudor watches. And Tudor is a brand that I've always loved since they came back to the United States. Big fan. As a matter of fact, right now I'm wearing my 41. This is the smiley face style, so this is the older ETA movement. Absolutely love this watch. This watch will never leave my collection again. I need to do a full review or a long-term review of this watch because it's got a little bit of story behind it. But anyways, when he sent me the pictures, one of them jumped out to me. This is a watch that I kind of wanted to get for my wife. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go get the Tudor she's currently wearing that she wears most of the time, sneak that past her, and show you that before we open this box here. Give me 1 second. All right, well, that wasn't easy to do. My wife's running around the house right now doing Christmas stuff, and she's in and out of our bedroom where the watch was, so I had to sneak around to get this and put it in my shirt pocket. But this is her current Tudor Oyster Prince, absolutely, or Prince Oyster date. Absolutely gorgeous watch. She wears this watch almost every day. It keeps pretty good time. What's cool about this watch is you've got the crown that has the Rolex logo there on the crown itself, and then it's cased by Rolex Genève. This original Oyster case. So this is probably one of the coolest watches we have in our collection. I absolutely love this watch. She wears it a lot. But I wanted to get her a modern interpretation of this watch. And so let's go ahead and unbox what I did get her, and we'll take a look at this. So I've been kind of looking for one of these for a while, but at the pricing and everything like that, I just had not pulled the trigger yet. But my friend at Milspec Group, when he sent this to me, excuse me, I'm turned around. When he sent this to me, wow, I'm knocking stuff around. He showed it to me, and I just said, hey, I'm interested in that one. He gave me a absolutely excellent deal on the watch that I could not pass up, and so I picked this one up, and he shipped it out like next day mail and stuff. So let's go ahead and get this one opened up here. So this is going to be your forgive me guys for all the shaking. Got a little stand here we're doing this on. This is the this is the Black Bay 36. This is the in-house movement, the chronometer grade movement and stuff, and they've now put I don't want to take it off the pillow because it's going to be a Christmas gift. So here is the reference information for this one here if you guys are looking for one of these. But very beautiful watch. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, and I wanted to note to you that also what's cool about this is these can be found by Milspec Group. You can source other things. They get other luxury watches. I know they've bought lots of, and when I say lots, I mean a big lot of Rolex watches, and they've had some really neat stuff. So, they have wonderful in-house brands, or not in-house brands, but brands they carry, Lumtech, MWC, Mule Gauchut, Squalier, but you can also, reach out to them, tap them, see if they have a luxury watch in their collection or availability that they can get going for you. So I just wanted to show you guys this one kind of real quick, talk about it a little bit, show it. Let's see what it looks like next to I think this one is a 34, so this is going to be a little bit bigger here. But on this Jubilee bracelet, it looks beautiful. And it's just the Black Bay line 36, no date and everything. I just think there's something really special about these watches. Just a very well put together watch. But like I said, I don't want to pull it off the pillow because it does have a couple of scratches. Jared told me that. I think this was a display model possibly, and maybe that's why I got the really good deal on it. But yeah, absolutely beautiful watch. And like I said, if you're looking for something like this for women, for men, reach out to Milspec Group, hit them up, see what they have. They may have availability for a watch like this. So once this watch is actually gifted to my wife, I'm going to go ahead and do a full review of it. I'll get it away from her, and we'll talk more about the movement that's inside this watch, talk more about the measurements and everything like that. But before Christmas Day, before she actually gets this watch, I want to do a quick unboxing of it. It's just a gorgeous timepiece. So very cool watch, like I said, sourced through Milspec Group, who I think works with Wixon Jewelers. So very good stuff. Thanks, Jared, for the deal on this watch. I really, really appreciate it. So guys, you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. If I don't talk to you before then, Merry Christmas to you guys, and I wish the best to you and your families. So, all right, thanks, guys.